Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After breaking down the support of $39,500, Bitcoin is now at another support, and in today's video we will analyze, is there any possibility that the Bitcoin will not break down this next support, or it will break it down. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and you can see that Bitcoin has already broken out a very long-term down channel, and after breaking out we had a short rally, and now we are having some correction. Now if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that we have even brought more than golden pocket, that is 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and now we are going towards 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And here we also have another support, but this is not as that much powerful and strong support like we had here at $39,500, and the next support will be more strong, that is at $33,000. But before that we need to observe this support in the short term. If we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see recently it has worked as a nice support here and here as well. Therefore there is a possibility that we may find another support here once more. However, if we take a look at this support on the daily time frame, then it is not as that much powerful and strong support like the previous one, like $39,500, and the next support of $33,000. You can see here we had a nice reversal move from this $39,000 from here, and from here as well. Here for a while the price line broke it down, but had a nice reversal move from here. And by the way, here it also worked as a nice resistance, $36,300, where we are moving right now. And do remember, there is also another very strong support before this $33,000 support level. For example, if the price line moves more down than this $36,300 support level, then here we have a downtrend line resistance of the previous channel that is now working as a support, and from here we can expect that the price line may find the support and move to the upside without testing the support of $33,000. And if Bitcoin starts a reversal from this support of the channel that was previously working as a resistance, that will be a very nice confirmation for this very big breakout. And remember, now this $39,600 can again work as a very strong resistance, because if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then here it worked as a very strong support. Here it worked as a very strong resistance, and here back in June 2021 as well, it works as a strong resistance. Therefore, once we will have a reversal move, whether we are testing this support of the channel or we will start this reversal move from here, from this support, this $39,500 can work as a big hurdle for the price line to start a big move from here. But as per the current situation, we need to observe this support of $36,300 now. For example, if we will have a closing below than this support of $36,300, then there will be a high probability that we will test this support of the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Or if we will move more down, then we can test this $33,000 support level. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.